slumps underneath Killer Pillar in Flanders drainage. My partner and I were up climbing on Killer, and there was probably 5 or 6 large avalanches came ripping over the top of Killer, slamming into the slope below. They might have started as sluffs, maybe there was a soft slab, we'll never know, but they were big enough to be a bit scary. So coming down, we're not coming down the gully, we're kind of working our way down through these cliffs, and everything is sloughing really easily. And when I did a quick little pit here to look, and the new snow, about 6 inches of new snow, is falling on a layer of facets that formed during all this kind of high pressure when we weren't seeing snow. So this is not, we're not seeing this slab up to make slab avalanches yet, but it's certainly sloughing super easily, and it's going long distances.